Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation on history and characteristics of cloud computing. In this session, we explore the evolution of cloud computing, its vision and its characteristics. The next is our objective of this session is to understand the evolution, vision and characteristics of cloud computing and the importance in modern computing environment. In this presentation, covers the history of cloud computing, the vision of cloud computing and the essential characteristics. Then the history of cloud computing. The history. This timeline represents a major milestone in the evolution of cloud computing from traditional computing to modern cloud platforms. Then the next is a client server computing, which means before cloud computing, client server computing stores application and data on centralized server. User connect this server to access the resources. The convention. The distributed computing enable multiple computers to share resources across networks, leading to development of cloud computing. So this is the history. The birth of cloud computing by J.C. Ehrlicher introduced the idea of global connected in 1960s. ARPANET. The ARPANET is used to share the resources like internet sharing resources are converted in the ARPANET. Then the important milestone, which means John McCrath, the cloud computing utility, which means CRM softwares like that they have been introduced. Then Amazon launches AWS and EC2. So this is the history of cloud computing. The diagram summarizes the historical growth of cloud computing from 1961 to today. So in 1961, John McCrath proposed the idea. 1970s, fundamentals, which means sharing. 1990s, the email era started. In 20s, the SAS pass, AWS concepts. But in 2006, full and full AWS concept has been established. In 2010, the cloud platform has been introduced. The vision of cloud computing, which means the cloud computing provides virtual hardware, runtime environment, and a service whenever it required without upfront commitment. The characteristics, NIST characteristics. According to NIST, the cloud computing has five essential characteristics: on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. On-demand and broad access, which means user can access cloud service anytime, various internet-enabled devices without direct interaction with provider. The resource pooling and elasticity, which means resources are shared securely among user and service automatically scale based on demand. Then the measured service. Measured service is nothing but the cloud usage is monitored and allowed to customer for pay what are the resources they have been used. Then the performance and cost. The performance cost are dynamic resource allocation, which means improve while reducing infrastructure cost. Then the outsourced method, which means the cloud service manager manage IT infrastructure to reduce operational overhead for an organization, which means the cost effectiveness. Then the final is the multi-license and SOA. Multi-license is nothing but enable multiple customer to share infrastructure, while SOA, which is nothing but service-oriented architecture, promote reusable and loosely coupled services. For this topic, we have referenced the following. The informations are collected from the cloud computing textbooks. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you gained a clear understanding of history and statistics of cloud computing. Thank you.